I had water on both knees. They took that out and they gave me cortisone in each knee. And then they scheduled me for knee replacements. And I said, I can't go through this. They didn't care. They set me up for the operation. They gave me paperwork to study. I read it from cover to cover that night. First thing in the morning, I called up and canceled the operation.
Do you have more mobility with your knee?
I certainly do.
Do you have better range of motion?
My friend and my family even say I'm walking without a limp now.
Without a limp. Okay, so what you did is you took your health to be your responsibility, and I know you paid some money for services that's not covered by insurance. Mm-hmm. I believe you said it was a stem cell or regenerative medicine. Are you thinking about having potentially surgery now?
No.
Exactly.
No way.
This is what our job is. I'm very happy that you're here. I'm very happy that stem cell and regenerative medicine worked well for you. You're discharged from care today. And let me shake your hand. And if you hurt yourself or something, you can come back over here. We're here for you.
Thank you, Doctor.
God bless you.